Thanks for watching the Council in Brief. I'm Susan Kenedy. We're here with the latest news of the Montgomery County Council. Up first, a return to some sense of normalcy as 8 of the county's recreation centers open back up for programs. Kenny Bell is one happy man.
So I'm really glad the gym's open again.
That's because he's now able to get back to his workout routine at the Bower Drive Recreation Center.
To be able to get in here, feel like you're being back in life again, to be honest with you, to be back in life, because you feel like you're all out there in left field somewhere. So it feels great.
Hello.
After almost a year, 8 county recreation centers are now open.
You're Henry? All right, Henry, you're good.
On a limited basis to host children and adults for working out and small instructor-led sessions for basketball, pickleball, fitness, and boxing.
It's awesome for us. I mean, for our staff who have worked so hard during this closure period of the pandemic. So we're excited about being able to get back to some level of normalcy.
The community recreation centers that are open are Bower Drive, Damascus, Nancy H. Dasick, North Potomac, Jane E. Lawton, Plumgar, Potomac, Praisner, and White Oak.
The opening of these 8 facilities is so significant, and I think for those folks participating in those programs, it's going to help with mental health and wellness as well as physical mental health and wellness. Because as we know, the pandemic has so disproportionately impacted our most vulnerable populations.
At the Bower Drive Center,
you're going to smack the ball.
The familiar sounds of kids playing and sneakers squeaking are back. Corey runs the Kid Fit 101 class at the center.
So this is Kid Fit 101. This is an awesome physical fitness program for kids. Just something that's structured to keep the kids active and to most importantly, to keep the kids having fun. So that's what it's all about.
Yeah. Tell me what the best thing is about being here.
The best thing about being here is for the exercise.
Oh, and what about you?
Having fun.
Having fun, I love it. And what about you?
Exercising and having fun. It's really fun.
Though he prefers to work out twice a day, Kenny is just happy to be able to get out for a little gym time. He comes to Bower Drive 4 times a week now, and it's not just for his physical health.
Physical means everything to the mental. It means everything. Because when you're dormant, you're not doing anything, your mind wanders, it's weak. You get out here and you start lifting weights, and you feel good about yourself. The excitement level comes back up in your life, that's all.
Residents will need a Fit and Play Pass to reserve a fitness room for gym activities. Visit the county's recreation website to get yours. In other news, as part of its regular session, the council took time to recognize the county's 1-year battle with COVID-19, which included a message from Dr. Anthony Fauci, where he urged residents to continue to adhere to public health guidelines as vaccinations ramp up.
My name is Tony Fauci, Director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases at the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, and Chief Medical Advisor for COVID-19 to President Joe Biden. I am delighted to have this opportunity to congratulate and thank the County Council and community leaders of Montgomery County who have worked so hard in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic on behalf of people who live and work in the county. With the recent emergency use authorization of a 3rd COVID-19 vaccine by the Food and Drug Administration, we are well positioned to bring this historic pandemic under control if we all just hang on a bit longer. Now is the time to keep our foot on the accelerator with regard to adherence to public health measures such as masking, physical distancing, and other measures that we know work to protect people from the SARS-CoV-2 virus, while we are ramping up efforts to vaccinate as many people as we can as quickly as possible. Using both strategies in tandem is the most effective way to quickly reduce the level of virus in the county and thwart new infections.
Well, that does it for this edition of the Council in Brief. For County Cable Montgomery, I'm Susan Kenedy.